Have you experiencing Play Store glitches on your Samsung device? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple yet effective process of clearing the cache on your Samsung phone to resolve those pesky Play Store issues. Whether you're encountering download errors, app update failures, or general sluggishness, clearing the cache can often work wonders in restoring smooth functionality to your Play Store experience. First of all, go to Settings app on your Samsung phone. Scroll down and click on Apps. Then search for Google Play Store. It may only have Play Store as name. Here you will get all installed apps on your phone. It includes system apps as well as manual installed apps. After you got Google Play Store, then click on it. Next, tab on Storage. Then you will get details space utilized by Play Store. At the bottom you will see the Clear Cache. Just click on it. It will clear Play Store cache. This might solve your download issue or update issue related to Play Store. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.